I don't think that you need to call it an alternate career just because I'm doing both the things. We have Vakasha here who's doing it full time. We've got so many other people. So basically, what people need to understand is legal journalism is a part of real journalism. It's not something that's not real or that's easier to do. It's not. It's a full-time thing. It's not something that you can. And for instance, you talked about maybe not having a law degree, maybe not knowing the law. But if you ask me personally, unless you've read the law, unless you really have maybe interned or worked with people where you've understood how the law works, how judgments work, how legislature works, all of that, you're probably not going to be able to reproduce it to an audience, as a legal journalist. So for me, if you ask me, I think it's very important to have some sort of background in law. Maybe if you haven't studied it, at least you've had some sort of experience with maybe a legal house or a law firm or anything where you're learning these kind of skills. And it's not just the legal skills that you develop. There's a lot more at stake. Even for me, if you ask me, I think networking really helped me get where I am today. People need to understand that as a law student or as someone who's just started off in their careers, it's not just about being very intelligent. It's not just about hard work, it's about smart work. And that these days really involves a lot of networking, socializing. You may be shy, you may be an introvert. You need to come out there. You need to put yourself out there. I remember because, again, going back to your traditional law school theory, I wasn't known to a lot of people in general, okay, but I was kind of social. But I would attend conferences, I would attend seminars and all of that, and I would just walk up to people who I know, okay, is that a partner from Amarch? And I'm just going to go and strike a conversation. Whether or not, and of course, you need to have some sort of substance to talk. It's not like you will just go up to them and expect some sort of a random banter. Yeah. That's not going to happen. But you need to build your networking skills. You need to build your communication skills. It's one thing to know the law, it's another to write it, or it's another to reproduce it. So these kind of skills really come in handy when you're looking at a career into legal journalism. It's not a small thing; it's a really, really big thing if you ask me. I probably am able to do it the way I'm able to do it because I'm not doing it full time. If I were to do it full time, I don't think I'd be able to do it. It's not something that's that simple to handle.